Hey there, I'm author Sarah A. Chrisman, and thanks to our recent blizzard here in the Midwest, I get to have a treat that appears in one of my books. In Three Women a Wheel, our friends go up to a hot spring resort on Mount Rainier, and they're high enough in elevation that Addie finds some mountain snow, even though it's fairly warm at the time of year when they're there, but they're at high elevation. Here in the Midwest, we don't need elevation to have snow. It comes to us. And so I get to do with what a lot of people in history have done with snow and put something tasty on it. In the book, Addie puts brown sugar on hers, but I have many options. Maple syrup would be very traditional, or I could also do rose syrup from a company that's been making it since 1883, or lavender syrup from a company that's been making it since 1883. I don't know, Artemis. What do you think I should try? Do you have a preference? You're just going to watch me eat. Well, I think today I'm going to go with rose syrup. And again, this idea of snow and sweeteners has been popular throughout history anywhere that people found snow, which is most of the cooler places on Earth and even a lot of the tropical places if they had elevation. So, if you are also in a place that got a blizzard this week, this might be your opportunity. And don't forget, happy reading!